Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem the PlayStation's gift card directly to your console. And you can also redeem this code directly from your mobile application of the Play Store. But on this video I'm going to show you how to redeem it directly from your console here. Okay, so this is the home screen you see on the PlayStation, and you go to the PlayStation Store. Go on below, and you see the games collection, and you see the latest collection deal subscriptions. Go all the way right side and see an option called more. Click on X. You see the wallet balance is 0, and you see an option called payment methods, redeem code. Just click on redeem code, and it'll ask you to enter the code here. Click on X. You'll see the option, and let me grab the code quickly. I've placed this order from Amazon for $1,000, so we'll go ahead and enter the code here. Alright guys, this is the code I have entered here. This is the code I got from Amazon here, and so we will go ahead and directly click on done. Once you enter the code, you can click on R2, or you can select the option done here. Once you click on that one, you'll see the option here below. Funding amount is 1,000 and wallet amount of funding 1,000. So that is the amount I have purchased it for, and click on redeem. Okay, successfully redeemed here. Click on just OK, and let's check the balance here. So click on more, and you see the balance is added to be $1,000 in the wallet. So this is how you redeem the gift card which you purchase it from Amazon, or the digital code, whatever it is. And if you purchase it from the store, so this is how you redeem the code here on the PlayStation directly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, and please like and comment below.